welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a spa day, a quarantine spa day at home. I know we all are stuck at home and we really want to groom ourselves. A lot of people are like texting me saying that my eyebrows are grown and I'm getting a lot of upper lips, hair on my face and my skin is dull. So I thought, why not make this spa kind of a video. I have tried my best to keep a lot of DIYs in this wherever I could. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the things that we are going to do in today's video is, first of all, getting rid of our facial hair. Second, I'm going to tell you guys how to shave your body with the razor, and I'm also going to share a detanning pack. Then we are going to do a DIY face mask, then a little bit of a skincare, and then we are done. I would highly recommend that you do all of these things at night, like around dinner time, after dinner or before dinner. So yeah, let's start with the first thing, and that is going to be getting rid of your facial hair. For that, I'm going to be using this razor. You can use any facial razor that you have at home. I got these from Miniso. It has like a comb situation, like the cap has a comb, so you can just comb out your hair like this, and then you can start shaving. I'm going to include a lot of close-ups so you can clearly see what I'm doing. Also, before you start shaving your face, make sure that you have washed your face and then powdered your face. You can use any talcum powder, which will make sure that you don't have any pasina or moisture on your face, because it's very humid right now. Razor won't work if your face is sweaty. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is that whenever you're shaving with a razor, like on your face, you have to keep the skin taut. So for example, if you're doing your eyebrows, make sure that you have, stretched your skin like this, and when you come to your upper lip area, just put your tongue from inside like this, so the skin is taut, and then you can shave. Now, not a lot of people do their side locks. I personally like to do them. So if you are someone who doesn't like to do it, don't do it. It's up to you. But if you ask me, get rid of the peach fuzz that you have on your cheeks. It will make sure that your makeup sits well on your face. Also, the skincare gets absorbed really well, because a lot of people have a thick layer of peach fuzz on their cheeks, and that just holds a lot of makeup product or skincare on the upper layer of your skin. It doesn't really get absorbed. So yeah, that's just a tip. But if you're not comfortable with it, don't do it. Second step of this spa is going to be oiling your hair. Now, I have made an in-depth video about the hair oil that I'm currently using. It's by the brand called as Aegte. Now, I'm loving the hair mask and the hair oil that I'm using, and I'm seeing results, like visible results in my hair. If you want to know more about these products, like in depth, then go watch this video, so you will have better information about these products. But you can use whichever oil that you prefer, and I'm gonna heat it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna add in tea tree oil. Now, why I'm adding tea tree oil is because we are in the humid weather right now. My scalp is a little oily and itchy. Tea tree oil will make sure that you don't have itchy scalp, and also will get rid of dandruff if you have any. Use a dropper. Take the oil in the dropper and start focusing on the roots. This will make sure that your oil is not just in your strands, but also focused in your roots. And then I'm going to massage my scalp. after the oiling is done, now it depends on you that if you want to wash it off after some hours or you want to take a shower the next morning, like wash your hair the next morning. I personally like to keep the oil on my hair overnight, and I would recommend that you also should do that. So the third step is going to be putting a face pack. Now you guys know that I love the charcoal face mask by Innisfree and by MamaEarth. I have made an in-depth video about 5 masks that you need to have in your life, so I think it's one of my favorite videos on the channel. You should definitely go give it a watch. But right now I'm going to show a DIY that I always reach out to, and that's the basic besan, haldi and some milk. But in this, instead of the milk, I'm gonna add potato juice. Now potato juice is extremely good to remove your tan. Now it has a lot of starch content in it, and which acts like a bleach. So if you have some tanning on your face or on your body, you can just squeeze out a little bit of the potato juice, like grate the potato, do not boil or anything, kacha potato, just grate it and then take the juice and mix it in your face pack and then just put it on your face. I'm gonna put it on my face and let it sit for around 20 minutes. Now let's move on to the body care. Now whatever steps I'm gonna tell now are gonna be done in the shower, but obviously I'm not gonna show it in the bathroom, so I'm gonna show it outside, but I generally do that in the shower. So let's move on. Now that the face pack is dry, what you have to do is just dampen your face a little bit while you're in the shower and start massaging that on your face. It will act like a scrub. So this face mask is a face mask and a scrub 2 in 1. So you just have to start scrubbing your face. Be very gentle, because if you are too vigorous with this, then you probably would get pimples. So just make sure that you are doing it very slowly and then wash it off with warm water. Okay, moving on. Now we have to focus on our body. So if you have tanned legs or arms, what you can do is take a spoon of coffee. Now when you mix coffee with lemon juice or tomato juice, which is acidic in nature, it will help to remove dark spots and pigmentation if you have. And also coffee is a great exfoliator, like because of the abrasive nature of coffee. If you have any strawberry spots on your legs, it will take care of that as well. So both of these things, like removing the face pack and also shaving your body, has to be done in the shower. Now one more reason why I always oil my hair prior to the shower is because when you go and take hot water shower, what happens is that the scalp and the roots on your scalp open up and they can absorb the oil really well. Now as soon as you come out of the shower, make sure that you have moisturized your whole body and face. Now for my face, I'm gonna go in with the toner. I am loving this toner recently. Also, this video is not sponsored by any brand. Nobody's paying me to say this, but I have recently started using this vitamin C toner by MamaEarth, and it's really good, you guys. It's been just 5 or 6 days that I'm using this, so I'm gonna keep using it for this month, and then we'll talk about it in the April favorites. But so far so good. And then I'm going to use either Belief Water Bomb or the Pink Chia Seed by Faceshop. Now you can use whichever serum that you like. Do not load a lot of moisturizer on your face because it's humid right now. Don't forget to use your favorite eye cream. I'm using this one by Oriental Botanics. Now let's move on and moisturize our body. I'm using this cherry blossom, if I'm not wrong, the variant. I'll leave it in the description box below, by Plum. Smells really good. You have to moisturize your legs and hands after you shave. A lot of people don't do that and then they suffer with strawberry legs, so make sure that you moisturize your body after shaving. Okay guys, I think that is it for our spa day at home. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other skincare or quarantine related videos you want me to make, then please leave it down in the description box below. I would love to do that for you guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay happy and stay positive and stay at home. Bye.